Good afternoon, guys. Here we are in episode 5 of how we build a 5-story building here in Aventura, Florida. Today it's about to start to rain again. Past 8 weeks been raining almost every day. But anyway, we are working. Here we finally got the rebars, bunch of rebars, a lot of rebars, several tons of rebars, and they are already starting to interlock the rebars with the top of the piles, not the rebars that came out of the pile. Here you have the clean top of the pile, waiting for the rebars to be interlocked and attached. That way the concrete can be poured, grabbing all that and forming the system for the pile cap. Here we can see how they are interlocking the rebars to the top of the piles, as we did before. That way they create the whole rebar system, that after that the concrete is going to be poured on top, getting the strength of the wall.